Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 27th of January 2023. Okay, so we are still in Chinese New Year mood. Okay, 恭喜发财. Okay, so you see today KLCI, right? This whole week Chinese New Year week okay, didn't do much. Okay, it ended last week at 1,005. Now it's around 1,005. Right? It didn't drop, it didn't go up. So it's just KLCI not doing much. But you see the individual stock, right? It's quite strong, the sentiment every day, okay, it's always positive. Okay, when you look at the KLSE, it's like that, right? But the sentiment should be nothing much, but sentiment is actually quite strong. Okay, so there is a possibility that this the accumulation means the big players are starting to accumulate some stock accumulate certain stock. Okay, that's why it's not the sentiment is good despite this KLCI remain weak because it didn't move anywhere. But the big breakout okay, the big breakthrough okay, the big breakthrough remains at 1,005. Okay, you need to push through above 1,005. Okay, stay above 1,005. Then is a very high probability the bull market will start. Means this market will continue to push up continue to push up. Okay, in US, right, we hear a lot of these analysts or these experts saying what they are saying. They call it is a suckers rally. This is a suckers rally. Means they suck you in. Okay, then they're gonna throw the market, the global market will have a big drop. Okay, then they call it, then we all then jump in, become suckers but we don't care. Okay, we look at the chart. Okay, the chart tell us it's doing well, we go for it. Okay, because chart is actual data, actual action of what the big players are doing, right? Small players will buy, I buy, we can't see in the chart you can't even get it to move Okay, so you see the big players are doing. Okay, if they continue to buy in, we follow. Okay, if the chart starting to tell us big trouble, big reversal, all these things, then maybe we want to change our strategy. For now, the market is still slowly, a lot of local sector is still doing well it's still doing well. Okay, but tomorrow, very important, we're going to take a look at the big picture. US commodity, local sector, US indexes, look at US stock, all these things so we need to see the big picture, what is going on. Okay, after during the first week of Chinese New Year okay, before we start, check out the disclaimer. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so let's check out the global market first. Okay, so KLCI 1,497, so it just didn't move these few days. Okay, 0.84 points drop, 0.056% drop. Okay, Singapore up 0.504% up, Hong Kong 0.541% up, South Korea 0.063% up, Japan 0.072% up, Thailand 0.596% up, Philippines 0.134% up, China is still holiday, Australia 0.341% up, Indonesia 0.498% up, New Zealand 0.105% up, Taiwan 0.040% up, and India 1.607% drop. Okay, so it should okay on Friday. Still looks okay not most of the indexes are up. Okay, a bit Look at UK FTSE up 0.111%, DAX up 0.125%, so slightly marginal up. Okay, so yesterday Dow Jones continue rebound 0.609%, NYSE up 0.608%, S&P up 1.101%, Nasdaq up 1.759. US quite strong, US quite strong, still quite strong. Okay, doesn't look like a sucker rally. Okay, but for now we still want to see. Okay, we still want to continue and monitor. Tomorrow we want to see Bitcoin, all those things, so we have more confidence. Okay, we see more asset. Okay, we see more chart, then we got more. We have an idea actually what's going on. Okay, palm oil 3,895 didn't move. Brent oil up a bit 88.67. Crude oil also up 82.16. Gold dropped a bit 1,928. Silver also dropped a bit 23.8. And ringgit, US dollar versus ringgit is 4.241. So ringgit up a bit against USD. Okay, so let's look at KLCI. So KLCI just nothing just did nothing These few days, this whole new year, it's just around 1,005, but it couldn't break through. Okay, a push above 1,005, the momentum, because now you see after market long time flat okay, after it flat long time, you can see RSI it's quite flat long time So when RSI start to move okay, the movement will be big after RSI you see a flat long time, let's see flat long time okay, when normally RSI is like that okay, a wave okay, up down so now you see it's flat. Okay, it's flat. Okay, the longer it remain flat, right? The longer it remain flat when it start to move, right, it will be very fast. Means the market will move very fast. Okay. Okay, look at KLCI. You see sentiment 59, gainers 542, losers 384. So quite strong, untraded at 917. So you see the volume is very big today, quite big come up 4.623 billion, 1497. So morning, the whole morning session is dropped actually. Morning session the market actually dropped. Okay, let's see. Morning session keep on drop until evening it got pushed back away. So there are still some window dressing still some window dressing. So this whole week actually the market we got to monitor, but don't trust too much because this whole week you see a lot of these financial institution is not all out it's not all in or these fund managers are not all in because a lot still on holiday Okay, consumer went up 0.78, industry up 0.12, all is percent this sector construction up 1.09, technology up 0.41, finance dropped 0.2, property up 0.74, plantation dropped 0.03, IT up 0.54, energy up 1.16, healthcare dropped 0.15, telco up 0.56, transportation up 0.87, utilities up 0.37. Okay, so you see the market this week okay, it's a holiday mood holiday season consider market this sector this market shouldn't be that strong so there are some momentum okay, hidden momentum pushing this up you don't see in KLCI, but you see the sector okay, it's actually quite strong okay. NYLEX. Okay, so today just want to say BURSA shy to plus 1,005 so hopefully we're still waiting okay. Okay, look at some news. Okay, MQ Tech to acquire Kelembang land for 19.5 million marker property from a property developer so they want to go to property business MQ Tech so MQ Tech you know is government thing MQ Tech. Here we take no momentum, okay, after it dropped below, after habis the goreng, now nothing much, nothing much. I will take nothing much. Okay, you see this trend line, you need to break through this trend line. There's a trend line over here. Okay. Let me see, let me redraw the line. Yep, here. Here. Also, you need to go through here. 0.075 lah. After it goes to 0.075, probably then there is a the strong momentum up lah. 0.075. Pouring finish. Okay, so RSB say this top sector pick for RSB okay, on the construction is Suncon and Kejaya Prospect lah. So you watch these two lah. Okay, because the Kejaya Prospect arrangement with Samsung, C&T, and top pick lah. Okay, MyG is confident getting another 3-year extension for government e-government concession So Maybank continue with buy call 1.37 for this MyEG. Okay, so take a quick look at MyEG. Okay, let's see how MyEG is moving. Okay, MyEG is in the channel you have to wait Okay, MyEG is in the channel, so it's in this uptrend channel. Okay, so it got chance. MIDF 1.2, UOB 1.3, Maybank 1.37. So the downtrend really broken so it's on the uptrend but it's not very going up very fast but it's still moving at the uptrend okay, slowly as long as this trend is intact so shouldn't be too big a problem okay, as long as this trend line okay, this channel is intact, means it's still going up or you want to try buy bottom channel, sell top channel also can okay. So this is a head and shoulder neckline so this one important if you can stay above 0.91 then it looks even better Okay, capital A jump as much as 5% on better key operation on 4Q okay, so there are passenger traffic statistic okay, full year and fourth quarter okay, was full year was 404% up and the okay, fourth quarter alone up 187%. Okay, to 7.8 million. Okay, the full year is 24.24 million. Okay, so so the growth of passenger jump exceeded 348% year over year so they are this looks good for capital A okay, capital A and this remember AX and capital A I already said okay, this if this company okay, these two company right it's in a big crisis. Okay, either it die off, or if it cannot, if it can survive, it definitely got chance to rebound, because air travel is a good. You can see this air travel, okay, can brought these two company, you know, so much so much benefit okay. So so if they either they goes down, if they don't go down, definitely they go up, because you see the chart every time the crisis okay, it goes to here. I told you, right, it go to here, okay, 54-cent area, this area, okay, and it will rebound very fast. If it doesn't go, this company doesn't collapse, okay, it will go back, rebound very fast. We see many times. Okay, so again now it dropped to this area, so it's rebounding very fast. Capital A and both these are capital A and AX. You see capital A from a breakout, right? Okay, from a breakout point. Okay, here I say. Okay, now it's really 20%. Okay, so I expect even more than that. These are AX. Remember AX? I talked about AX. AX from the breakout point. I talked about the breakout point, right? It's already up 73%. Okay, 70% okay, 71%. Okay, so these are two that I talked about many times. So SCIB withdraw from JB Specialist Hospital Project. Okay, so MAHB also achieved record highest passenger movement on December. Okay, 6.8 million. So 31% increase from last month, from the November. Okay, so this 50% level of this 2019 before the pandemic okay, so the business is growing. Okay, airport. So airport continue, okay, continue up Airport already reached the target. Maybank all target reached already. Okay, so I said this airport okay, it's on the uptrend so on this uptrend. Okay, after head and shoulder, I say continue up, continue hold, because there's good chance it can come back to our top channel, which also align with all the bank target. Okay, so this one top profit okay, no sell signal continue hold. Okay. Okay, so prospect of perniagaan CIMB Bank meyakinkan this one say this who MIDF okay, give buy call 6.16 okay. RSB Bank give 7 okay, so we take a look. CIMB. Okay, RSB give 7, MIDF give 6.7 okay. So now it's stuck over here it's still stuck over here. Okay, it's still stuck over here. 5.8 and 5.5 okay, so it depends if we break above 5.88, then it want to go up to here. Means this MIDF 6.7, 7.0 area possible. If we drop below, okay, 5.58, you have to be careful. If you drop below this channel, you have to draw yourself a channel here. Okay, draw yourself a channel. If you drop below this channel, then it's dangerous. It might continue to drop Okay, Revenue Group confirm arrest of 2 suspected director by MACC okay, over alleged false claim so this one is getting bigger and bigger now. Arrest already okay. RL get 11 million okay, this contract from Sunview okay, Sunview 11.4 million okay. So let's take a look at RL. Okay, RL looks like got some momentum up got some momentum up. Okay, RL is making this this structure I don't like I just tell you, this structure I don't like. What is it? What is doing is that it's doing how they call it a channel which is getting larger and larger. This one I don't like. So this one I leave it first. It still got chance because it has said green energy Ariel doing green energy it got chance but this one I'm not very keen Okay, I think it maybe still got chance to go up to 0.40, 0.475 also possible can oh, but it's making this type of pattern I don't like. Okay, and HTPADU also get this 38 million 38 million education ministry project okay, so let's take a look at this HTPADU nothing much, still on a downtrend so this one leave it first HTPADU. This chart is scary okay, look at momentum stock VITROX. Okay, VITROX, let's see okay, head and shoulder it never break above head and shoulder, that's the problem so this head and shoulder tak jadi already become a long term downtrend already okay, so now we want to see okay whether we can come up with a channel. Yes, we can come up with a channel. Okay, so now it's broken through the channel. Okay, VITROX looks good. Okay, looks good for continue up okay, so the downtrend channel already broken up, so the next resistance will be at 8.2. okay, if it breaks above 8.2 it got chance to go to 9.1. It breaks above 9.1 got chance to go to 10.3 these are the resistance area but Hong Leong Bank not optimistic, give it 7.2 only okay, but this red color momentum will go to 50 already, so this one actually got some momentum to continue up this one got momentum got momentum FNN I highlighted many times FNN I said broken through already. FNN is on its way up, double bottom, broken through now, even double bottom also broken through, looks good for it to go to Kenanga 26. I think it should be okay, maybe possible even higher. Heng Yuan after a big loss now it's trying to rebound Heng Yuan okay, but still scared after got this head and shoulder, got a gap here. I'm not keen no red color momentum. Possible it still can go very far, but I looking at the chart I don't like it I don't like it. NYLEX, okay, NYLEX I highlighted many times also NYLEX also I highlighted many times NYLEX okay, I see this one the U-turn shooting up okay, after U-turn shooting also already continue go up okay, NYLEX the next resistance is here 0.61. you have to watch. If it goes to 0.61 you got chance to go to 0.885 and even go to 1.13 okay. SMI okay, SMI all straight up if you really go in you use auto profit to chase okay, so this one too late to chase it's just vertical up too late to chase. You really in then you use this auto profit okay, UMW okay, UNW okay, still trying to go okay, it's having correction but it still got chance to go to Maybank okay, auto profit still no sell signal yet, continue to hold for a bit more. Dufu, okay, Dufu also I highlighted many times okay, Dufu, I said Dufu I got chance once it broke through this one is broken through this 2.0 got chance so continue go up. You look at you have to watch 2.4 okay, 2.4 is a very big resistance. If it can go through then in long term it should got more chance, because you see today red color already come in already okay, red color momentum already start to come in already so this one looks good for now. PJBUMI okay, PJBUMI correction okay, now it did a correction, it start to go again. This one can try because it rebound at the this trend line, right? It rebound at this uptrend trend line, but this is chasing high, you have to be very careful okay, this is chasing high, and also got divergence other side not making higher high, so this one chase in also, but high risk, okay, high risk. ATA, IMS, rebound fly already 2 days, see whether today still continue or not. Oh, big sell now. That's why I said ATA, IMS, you want to change 50-50 so anything happen you see this morning also went up quite high 20%, then boom, come back down. So very risky to chase in already okay, for now. Can it still go up? Possible, okay, because it's not totally KO yet. Okay, look at Heineken. Heineken morning also quite strong, but evening no more. Okay, Heineken already reached top channel you have to consider maybe want to take some profit also can already. So maybe this all this target maybe longer term, maybe it will come down first and go, then only it will go up again. Because you already hit the top channel hit the top channel can take some profit also okay Okay, remember subscribe, like, share, comment. I want to open account CGS-CIMB. Don't forget, I want the top platform in Malaysia, CGS-CIMB. Okay, you just fill in the form. My friend will call you. He's a reminder of CGS-CIMB. He will call you up and open account for you. Any problem, you don't know how to buy, how to how to trade, all these things. Okay, you can ask them They will guide you They can guide you. Help you to understand the platform, all these things I also got do a video long time ago about this CGS-CIMB platform You can check out how to buy US stock. Okay, how to buy US stock Okay. Subscribe, share, and comment okay. See you again tomorrow. We talk about the big picture. Bye bye.